らっしゃいませ。
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Satyani. Here I will make a video on how to configuration OSPF, BGP, and access control list. First of all, I will create topology first. Here I did 4 routers with different type. 2 router with type 2811 and 2 router with type 2911. To difference between several VLANs, I create a box with different color and then give them identities such as Pekalongan, Semarang, Yogyakarta, and Surabaya routers. Provide information about the IP address to be configuration. First of all, we will configure the Pekalongan switch by adding a VLAN by entering the port to be configured, namely with the command interface rank Fasternet 223 VLAN 100, then switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 100 to the same command on VLAN 200 and 300 according to the connected port. After configuration, the VLAN and the switch continue with the trunk mode configuration by entering the command interface Fasternet MT1, then switch port mode trunk. Then configuration the Pekalongan router. Here we set the hostname to Pekalongan, then create a sub interface by entering the command interface Fasternet MT100, then encapsulation.1Q100, and then enter the IP address. And don't forget to turn on the cable by using the no shutdown command. Then configuration the IP address on the Semarang router. Then configuration the IP address on the Yogyakarta routers. Then configuration the IP address on the Surabaya routers. Configuration the IP address on the PC by click on the PC, then entering the desktop menu, selection IP configuration, then entering the IP subnet mask, and then IP gateway. Repeat this process on the PC and server with the specified IP. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go with morning light and coffee glow. Let's start the day with a smile so wide, with the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go with morning light and coffee glow. Configuration the OSPF router on the Pekalongan router by using the OSPF router command. Then enter the network and its area as shown in the video. Configuration the OSPF router on the Semarang router with the same command as the Pekalongan router with a different network. Then BGP router configuration on the Semarang router. BGP router settings to then enter the neck bar along with the neck bars remote AS, then enter the network along with the area. Set up the BGP2 router on the Yogyakarta routers, then add NIC bar and remote AS and set up the OSPF2 routers, then enter the network. Start the day with a smile so wide, with the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go with morning light and coffee glow. Let's start the day with a smile so wide, with the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go with morning light and coffee glow. Setting router OSPF to on router Surabaya, then enter the network. Login the Semarang router, then login to router OSPF1. Then enter the command redistribute BGP1 subnets. Then login to router BGP2, then redistribute router OSPF1. Login the Yogyakarta router, then login router OSPF2, then enter the command redistribute BGP2 subnets. Then login to router BGP2, then redistribute router OSPF2. Click on the Surabaya switch, then enter the command Fasternet interface empty and continue to switch port mode run. The day is unfolding, let's make it bright with morning light, everything feels
start the day with a smile so wide.
OSPF router configuration to one Surabaya router with network that goes to Surabaya switch.
Ready to go with morning light and coffee glow. Let's start the day with a smile so wide, with the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go with morning light and
Then configuration the access control list to block VLAN 300 to server 2 by click on the Surabaya router. Then entering the command access control list 101 deny, then entering the IP to be blocked, then entering the host.
aroma of coffee fills the air.
Next, enter the command access control list 101 permit IP any, then enter interface fasternet MT1, then IP access group 101 out.
Waits, but I'm ready to go with morning light and coffee glow.
Try pinging from VLAN 300 to server 2 Violet, or by entering the server command prompt, then typing the ping command, then entering the IP on VLAN 300.
Life feels complete. Let's start the day. Smile so wide with the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go with morning light and coffee glow. Every little task a chance to create. With love in my heart, I can't hesitate.
Next, try ping from router to all routers, then from PC to server. Usually, at the beginning it is Violet, but in the end it is successful. Escape from VLAN 300 to server 2.
Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go with morning light and coffee glow. Let's start the day with a smile so wide, with the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go with morning light and coffee glow.